Alright, I'm gonna explain on how to design the 808 sounds. I really am gonna explain it now. I know I shouldn't respond to a certain YouTuber, but there was this YouTuber saying, "Nah, I didn't design the 808. I got it from a drum kit." In reality, I did design the sound, but you know, too much proof ain't enough proof with certain people. Or I know sounds making the video. Oh, it's hard to explain, but I'm going to explain myself. I'm just gonna first of all, you're gonna need to have the three times oscillator. Oh yeah, first I'm gonna take out the limiter, because what the limiter does really, it actually squeezes the sound. The reason why I will take that out because I'm doing sound design. I'm not. The whole purpose of a limiter is when your track is done, when your track is finished, mixed and mastered. When it's all mixed and mastered, that's when you utilize the limiter. You don't utilize it during your mixing. You don't. Well, here's one of the reasons why. I'm serious. You do that, you'll never get the results you're looking for. You'll never get the mix you wanted. You do that after your track is done. You do that after your track is mixed. Shout outs to Miller's Production. John Miller's Production. Alright, what you gotta do on oscillation 1, put that to 0. Oscillation 2, put that to 0. Alright, then you throw in some distortion. Oh, that's it. That's all you need. Now it sound like some synthesizer. Not having that 808 sound. That's how you have to do it. The attack, put all the way down. The whole, put all the way down. The decay, first of all, you gotta take that knob out. The decay, put all that all the way down. This is what you need. This is essential to having the 808. You have to keep the sustain out. You can have the decay out, but you don't want the decay out. You want the sustain out. There you go. I know it sounds disgusting, distorted, eerie. But here's the magic, the equalization. I know this mouse is acting crazy. It's clicking on everything. I don't know. I'm just not used to the new style of the mouse. Not for the 808. This is what I do. Alright, I gotta make it. I don't know, but. Alright, next step, I have to perpetrate that kick sound. I know I always mess up on the step. Well, not always, but most of the time. I don't know why. Yeah, do the same thing. Oh yeah, this time with the release. Oh yeah, ain't gotta have the release like same way, operate the same way like the actual 808. it. See, that's how I design the sound. But you know, I get clown, I get laughed at. Now I have so much of the sounds. I don't see myself not designing. I don't see why I need to keep putting it up. I got so much of the sounds, ridiculous. How I save it, I export it, you know, and then do some more equalization to it. Crazy, right? I know even if you cut it, it's gonna do that. But I'm gonna turn it into a sample. This is the proof. The proof is in the pudding. I know it's disgusting. And that's why you cut your 808s off. But since I'm using, alright, here's what I'm gonna do next. Look, here's why when I put it in the lower octave. Put it at see? That's how I create the sound. Simple as that. This is how I do it. This is how I design it. This is how I create it. This is how I put it together. But you know, alright, how I save it, you could do it any way you want. But now I see why people suggest using audio editing. No, I totally get why people do what they do. I'm gonna go to the master, and I go to Edison, just down there. Okay. I know I shouldn't be talking. This is the library. I could do a video outside, so I could like talk about what I talk about. Now I just play the 808 like that. Bam. Bam. Yeah, I record it. I press one key, record it, and then I play it. I can use it on any song I want to make, or whatever. There you go. No problem. You do this, a lot of people with drum kits will get mad. A lot of people with drum kits will get mad. I'm not gonna lie, because it's gonna hurt their business. It's gonna hurt their revenue. Like this. Or you ever had too much going on with the characteristic of the sound, I can always fix it. I see sample as, but I'm not gonna really save it. But what I'm gonna do is save it on desktop. Call it 808. Bam. Saved it right off the top. Now, this mouse is acting crazy, man. No, this is for those who don't believe that I can actually do sound designing. See, I just proved it. I just showed you. But you know, too much proof ain't enough proof for certain people. You gotta understand that. Yeah, let it run out too much. And the 808 sound fresh, doesn't it? Alright, cut. No, but I don't like it cast too much. No, it's perfect, but it isn't perfect. So to really get it to that perfection, here's what I do. This is what I gotta do at this point. This is what I gotta do. Alright, I'm gonna play like this. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go to Edison. Click new. Alright. Hit the record button. 1, 2, 3, and go. I don't like it because it has too much of the it has too much in it. This one is no. No, something like that. Something like that. I could make any type of 808s. No, but this isn't the 808 it made. Well, this is gonna be the 808 it made. Save sample as 808. Put 2. Bam, bam. This is how I do it. This is how I totally do it. Now for that secondary 808. Hey, that person over hey, oh yeah, the person named Savage Beats. My bad. This dude don't believe in what I do, hands down. But you know, whatever. Haters are gonna hate. Why throw shade? Why hate? Just why hate? I don't know who's the person, what the person look like, what life they live. I don't know any of that. But you can't just sit here. You can't sit here and pass false judgment. Okay, that's not what that was not my intention. I was trying to not make it sound like the 808, the first 808. Try this again. Oh, I got it. Gotta have the same way, but shorten it. That sound like something to sing. Now for the 808, this is what I'm gonna do here. Obviously, I'm gonna do that. Hit new, record. Yeah, I'm going too far. What the heck, man? Why I'm doing two mix? Oh my gosh, this mouse is hit crazy. Here's how I do it. Bam, bam, bam. There you go. This is the better sound than 808. Sample sound as, save sample as this 808. Alright, no, because it wasn't where, it kind of really wasn't where I wanted it to be. It kind of sounded like the first time I made the 808. Oh yeah, sometimes I gotta do it. You gotta go this far. Sometimes, not all the time. Replace it. Sampler. There you go. Alright, and then you do this. All off the 3 times oscillator. See? That's how you design the 808. And for those, bro, like I said, I'm worth the subscription. Bro, I'm really worth the subscription. This is how you design the 808.